How to mute Instagram notifications on your smartphone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So there are two ways through which you can mute Instagram notifications. One is directly through the app in your settings. So all you have to do for this Android device, but it will work the same for an iPhone as well. All you have to do is go to settings and search for the app and mute all the notifications from there. And for Android, all you have to do is long press on the app, and this might not work for a few other Android devices. So for my Xiaomi Mi 11, it is this process through which I can mute notifications. All I have to do is long press and click on app info, and once I'm here you can see the notification section. Once I'm here, I can allow or disallow all the notifications just by unchecking this show notifications option. So this is one way to do it. The other way is through directly Instagram, and this works the same for Android or iPhone. All I have to do is go to the app, and once I'm here, I'll have to go to my profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And once I'm here, I will have to click on the three arrows in the top right corner. Once you click on that, you can go ahead and click on settings. And once you're in settings, you can see there is this tab called notifications, and in here you can fine tune all the settings related to all the notifications. Like you can individually mute group chats, and you can individually also mute stories and all that kind of stuff. All you have to do is click on the kind of content you want to mute, and that's it. All you have to do is click on or off for the mute notifications option, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.